Good day, student. You are welcome to Security Education Online. We have been meeting for quite a number of weeks now on online teaching due to coronavirus pandemic that ravaging the land, as we cannot meet physically, but at least we are sharing knowledge and we are passing knowledge through this medium. You are welcome once again to Security Education on week 6 on the topic promoting national security. As you know that security is one of the insecurity is one of the greatest problem of Nigeria, as you have been witnessing in other parts of Nigeria. I want to look at what we can do to promote national security. But before then, let us look at the objectives of the lesson. We say at the end of the lesson, the student should be able to discuss the role of citizens in promoting national security. That is, what are the things we should do as a citizens of the country to promote national security? So let's go to the lesson proper now. We want to look at the definition of national security. What is national security? National security means how to prevent crimes and criminals in our society. So that is, the society should be free from all the criminal activities. Let's go back. We said national security means how to prevent crimes and criminals in our society. That is, the society should be free from all criminal activities. And this can be achieved when the citizens carry out the following rules. One, being vigilant. One, being vigilant. That is, all the Nigerian citizens have the responsibility of being vigilant. You need to be vigilant to know what is going on in your surroundings, in your neighborhood, in your community. You must feel concerned. Don't feel unconcerned that it doesn't concern you. It concerns you. It concerns you. They said being vigilant, this can be achieved by watching out for suspicious persons, groups, or objects, and report any threat to appropriate authorities. When you discover anything that is of threat, either you see suspicious person, the group, or any object that is a threat to your life and well-being, then you need to report to appropriate authority. You need to what? Report to appropriate authority. 2, supplying information to security agencies. Every citizen should cultivate the habit of supplying unnecessary information to the security agencies in order for them to take appropriate action. When you supply the necessary information to the law enforcement agency, this will help them in making necessary action so that they can easily detect the crime and the criminal, or they can prevent the crime from happening when they have been informed of any criminal activity that is going on, or of people that have a suspicious character, or any bad habit that is going on in our neighborhood. When they are being informed, they will be able to swing into action in order to curtail the criminals and their criminal activities. Being law abiding, it is one of the duties of the citizens of Nigeria to be law abiding if we want to promote national security. Being law abiding, every citizen should be encouraged to be law abiding. We need to obey the rules and regulation of the country. We need to obey the law of the land. The rules and regulation are made to guide our activities as a citizen. They said there are rules and regulations guiding every member of the society, which are listed in the Constitution. The Constitution is an official document that contains the rules and regulations guiding every citizen of the country. If you are law-abiding, if you follow the rules and regulations of the society, this will help to promote national security. You need to be, the next one is that you need to be patriotic. You need to be patriotic. Patriotism means great love for one's country. Patriotism means great love for one's country. And it is the ability and willingness of the citizen to realize, promote, and uphold the basic characteristic and existence of a country. We say you must be being a patriotic citizen. And we look at it, you cannot be patriotic unless you show patriotism. Then what is patriotism? Patriotism means great love for one's country. You want to shed your blood for your country. You want to do everything to make sure that your country continues to exist with unity and in unity and peace. Then you said patriotism is also the ability and willingness. It is ability and you are equally willing. The willingness must also be there of the citizen to realize, promote, and uphold the basic characteristics and existence of the country. You want the country to continue. You don't want the country to die. You don't want the country to go into exit. You want the country to continue. So you need to be patriotic in nature. You need to continue to support the program of the country so that the country can continue to grow. Then the next one is participation. Participation means you must ready to participate in any good things that is going on in the country. Since we said that there, you must be patriotic, and patriotism is showing great love to your country. You want to be assured with your country. Anything that is going on in your country concerns you. Yes, that's why we look at number 5 now as participation. Every citizen must be ready to participate in the protection of life and properties. You must be ready to participate in the protection of life and property. You must be ready to serve in any security agency. You must be ready to serve in any security agency, like a neighborhood watch, the security, another security agency that will be formed in the neighborhood, so that our environment will be free from all the criminal activities. The next one is community leaders and landlords who form a security operatives within their locality to protect life and properties. Yes, this one happened during the lockdown in the month of April. Most of the areas in Lagos State is being bedeviled by the armed robbers, men of underwears. They continue to disturb the peace and progress of the society, and the landlord and community leaders have to come out with the tenants in the areas. They form a security operatives. So anything from 11 o'clock, they come out to make sure that the area is protected until around 5 a.m. in the morning. They will not sleep. They will be moving around to make sure that the whole area is secured from any form of criminality. This is a kind of things that we can do to make sure that our environment is safe, to promote national security. The religious leaders should continue to preach about love that could promote mutual understanding and coexistence among various ethnic groups. Then it is also the duty of our religious leaders to continue to preach about love that will promote mutual understanding and coexistence among various ethnic groups. We need this love. We need to love ourselves. Ethnicity, tribalism, and ethnicity is one of the greatest problems of Nigeria. We don't love ourselves. We always be tribalist in nature, tribalistic in nature. The Yorubas will always want to associate with Yoruba people, while the Hausas will always see the Hausas as their only brother. Igbo, we always want to see the Igbos that are only brother where they can speak their language, because there are other things. While Yoruba will want to speak they want to associate with their brothers. This thing will need to stop. Our religious leaders you need to preach about love, so that will promote mutual understanding, so that all of us will see ourselves as a brother and sister, irrespective of where you come from. We are all created by God, and we are all citizens of Nigeria, and we are all human beings that share the same biological things together. Then why do we need to segregate? Why do we need to differentiate? Why do we need to bring discord among ourselves? Why don't we see ourselves as a true Nigerian, not as an Hausa, not as an Aboki, not as an Igbo or Yorubas? During the time of game of football, all of us always come together and associate together, and we have a common voice that Nigeria must to win. But immediately after the match, then we go back to tribalism, ethnicism, and all those things, that you are Yoruba, you are Hausa, you are Igbo, which is not supposed to be. When they are playing ball, they play it together collectively. Hausa will play ball to Yoruba, Yoruba will play it to Igbo, and their aim will be to score the goal. We too will be shouting, Nigeria must win, up Nigeria when they win. Yes, we shout goal. We are all happy at that time, but in time when a goal is being scored by Nigerian team. We need to bring the love and harmony to the country, so that we can promote mutual understanding and coexistence among various ethnic groups. This will help Nigeria to develop. This will bring steady development. This will bring patriotism. This will bring progress to Nigeria. And everybody can go to sleep and be rest assured that the country called Nigeria is a free society, is devoid of criminals and criminal activities. And criminality in Nigeria will put to the lowest ebb, can be pushed to the lowest ebb. It will be dealt with, and everybody will live in peace and harmony. These are the things that we can do to promote national security, to make the country free from being any form of criminalities, any chaos. We can see now in the north now that there is no peace, especially in the northeast. Before we hear of Boko Haram threats, before you hear about religious conflict, the Maitasini riot, and some other ones, those ones died down. What we are hearing is since 2009 is about Boko Haram attack under the leadership of Sekau. That one now is gradually dying down, maybe because of a coronavirus pandemic. The next thing we hear now is motorbike bandits. You hear now of bandits. Last week, in Katsina State, many people were killed by these bandits. Every day you listen to news, you hear about the bandit attack. Bandit attack. Who are these bandits? Are they not Nigerian? They are, but because they are not patriotic in nature, they don't want to participate in security operatives. They don't want to join community leaders and landlords to form security operatives. And the religious leaders here should continue to do their job to preach love to them, so that they should know that you need to love the country called Nigeria. They need to be patriotic. They need to be loyal. They need to show their loyalty to a country called Nigeria, so that Nigeria will be a peaceful state for us to live, so that all of us can live together in one, and we live with a rest of mind. It is only in a peaceful environment that the government can plan for the development and peace and progress of the country. There cannot be any meaningful development in an area where there is no peace, when there is chaos, when there is a running extra sector where everybody does not love themselves, where the citizens of the country do not love themselves. Yes, we cannot witness peace, and all of us will not want to associate with that kind of environment. That's why you see many people running outside the country to seek for greener pasture. Because of the security, they will tell you that they've run away from Nigeria because of the insecurity. Some of them are in America, some of them are in Mexico, some of them are in European countries now. And you ask them, why are they running away from Nigeria? They will tell you there is no security in Nigeria. Nothing is secured. Your life is not secure. Your property is not secure. The whole environment is not secured. We cannot continue to look at this and allow it to continue to go on. We need to stop it. And the citizens must be ready to join the federal government to foster this kind of ugly institution, so that we can entrench, we can promote national security. Shall be well with you. Remain blessed until we meet again on security education. Thank you. I remain your security education teacher, Mr. Rahim. Until we meet again, remain a good child to your parents. Stay at home. Don't move around. Don't mingle with people, too much people now. And if you must to leave your house, you must use your face mask. Thank you. Until we meet again on another topic in security education. Thank you. God bless you. Until we meet again. Thank you.